Hello students, welcome to Suraj Group of School. Today I will teach you relations. Students, you have studied about set, non-empty set, type of set and so many things about set operations. And today I will tell you about the relation. I will teach you relation. रिलेशन को जानने के लिए बच्चों आपको ऑर्डर्ड पेयर का जानना बहुत जरूरी है. तो लेट अस सपोज A and B. Let A and B are two non-empty set. Two non-empty set. And what do you mean by non-empty? Means a set which have at least one element. A set which have at least one element is known as non-empty. बच्चों ऐसा सेट जिसमें कम से कम एक एलिमेंट हो उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? non-empty. Because you have studied about the null set. Null set क्या होता है? A set which contains no element. लेकिन non-empty set होता है a set which contains at least one element. So let us suppose A and B are two non-empty set. Okay, then AB, a pair of AB, okay, in which A belongs to set A and B belongs to set B. First component in the ordered pair belongs to set A and second component belongs to another set B. Okay. Students, one thing I would like to tell you, AB is not equal to BA. AB BA के इक्वल नहीं होता है. जैसा कि सेट में आपने पढ़ा है, सेट में AB इक्वल टू BA यानी करली ब्रैकेट के अंदर जब AB डालते हैं वो BA के इक्वल आता है. लेकिन ऑर्डर्ड पेयर में ऐसा नहीं होता है. If AB equals CD, अगर AB CD के इक्वल है, then तभी हो सकता है जब AB ऑर्डर्ड पेयर AB का जो फर्स्ट कंपोनेंट है ऑर्डर्ड पेयर CD के फर्स्ट कंपोनेंट से इक्वल एंड ऑर्डर्ड पेयर AB का सेकंड कंपोनेंट ऑर्डर्ड पेयर CD के सेकंड कंपोनेंट के इक्वल मींस A equal to C and B equal to D. Otherwise, it is not possible. Students, I will tell you about the Cartesian product. Cartesian product means the set of all ordered pair of sets. मान लीजिए A क्रॉस B को डिफाइन करना चाहते हैं तो the set of all ordered pair, all possible ordered pair of set A and B, and mathematically it can be defined as A cross B equal to AB such that A belongs to set A and B belongs to set B. Okay, this is said to be Cartesian product. Cartesian product को हम in another word भी define कर सकते हैं, in another way से define कर सकते हैं. The set of all ordered pair of A and B is known as Cartesian product. For example, A इक्वल टू मान लीजिए हमारे पास 1 2 3 है एंड B इक्वल टू है 4 एंड 5. तो A क्रॉस B क्या हो जाएगा? A क्रॉस B क्या हो जाएगा बेटा? 1 1 4 1 5 2 4, 2 5, 3 4 and 3 5. Okay, this is Cartesian product, one of the example of the Cartesian product. Now I will tell you the number of elements in A cross B. Then if number of element in A is m, and students, now I will tell you number of element in A cross B. Let us suppose the number of element in set A is m and the number of element in set B be n. Let number of element in a set A is m and number of element in set B be n. Then number of element in A cross B will be m into n. M into n. Okay. Students, now I will tell you about the relation. Relation is the subset of Cartesian product. Relation क्या होता है? Relation Cartesian product का subset होता है. Relation R is the subset of Cartesian product A and B. So relation is nothing but subset of Cartesian product. Okay. Taking one example. So let A equal to 1 2 and B equal to 2 3 and 4. Okay. And relation is less than means first component is less than the second component. First component is less than the second component. Okay. Then relation R can be listed as first one is less than 2, yes, of course, 1 from set A and 2 from set B. Then you can read like this: 1 is less than 2 and 1 is less than 3 as well. 1 is less than 4. Similarly, 2 is not less than 2. 2 is less than 3. 2 is less than 3 and 2 is less than 4. Okay. And A क्रॉस B, जैसा कि आपको मैंने बताया है A क्रॉस B कैसे निकालते हैं. 1 2 1 2 1 3 1 4 2 2 2 3 and 2 4. अब यहाँ पे हम क्लियरली देख सकते हैं कि जो रिलेशन R है वो A क्रॉस B का सबसेट है. सबसेट क्या होता है? If there are two set A and B, if all the elements of set A are contained in set B, then set A is subset of set B. So clearly R, as we have given the example, R is subset of A cross B. Okay. Now, one thing I would like to tell you: a relation can be represented in three ways, particularly. One, roster form. Second, arrow diagram. And third, lattice diagram or definition form, set builder form, you can say. This is roster form, and A cross B AB such that A is less than B, means first component is less than second component. This is in the definition form, means this is in the set builder form. Okay, everything must be defined where A belongs to set A and B belongs to set B. Okay. Thereafter I will tell you this is set builder form. कौन सी फॉर्म है ये? सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म. ओके, एंड दिस फॉर्म कौन सी है? रोस्टर फॉर्म. रोस्टर फॉर्म. ओके, फर्स्ट now I will tell you about arrow diagram representation of the relation. Arrow diagram representation. Now, as earlier I have told, I have taken two sets, set A 1 2 and set B 2 3 4. Okay, and the relation is less than, means first component is less than the second component. Listen, 1 is less than 2. Okay, and 1 is less than 3 and 1 is less than 4. इसी तरह से देखो, 2 is not less than 2. 2 is less than 3 and 2 is less than 4. So this is said to be arrow diagram representation. And what sort of representation this is? Arrow diagram representation. Okay. Now I will tell you about the range of the relation and the domain of the relation. So first of all I will tell you domain of the relation. Domain of relation. Domain of relation. Student, the set of first component of ordered pair. The set of first component of ordered pair is known as domain of the relation. The set of first component of ordered pair is domain of the relation. Domain of the relation. Domain of the relation क्या होता है बच्चों? The set of first component of ordered pair. Ordered pair का जो first component का जो set बनेगा, that will be the domain. Okay. अब अगर इसको हम relation को अगर ordered pair के फॉर्म में लिखते हैं तो इसको definitely this can be written as 1 2 1 3 1 4 इस तरह से 2 3 and 2 4 इस तरह से. अब यहाँ पे हम ये देखते हैं कि फर्स्ट कंपोनेंट में क्या क्या आ रहा है, 1 and 2 आ रहा है. तो डोमेन क्या हो जाएगा? डोमेन हो जाएगा आपके पास, डोमेन ऑफ द रिलेशन हो जाएगा 1, 2. 1, 2 क्यों हुआ? कि द सेट ऑफ फर्स्ट कंपोनेंट ऑफ ऑर्डर्ड पेयर. इस तरह से रेंज ऑफ द रिलेशन क्या होती है बेटा? रेंज ऑफ रिलेशन. रेंज ऑफ द रिलेशन क्या होता है? द सेट ऑफ सेकंड कंपोनेंट ऑफ ऑर्डर्ड पेयर. क्या होता है बेटा? द सेट ऑफ सेकंड कंपोनेंट ऑफ ऑर्डर्ड पेयर. कंपोनेंट ऑफ ऑर्डर्ड पेयर. ओके, तो इस तरह से अबव एग्जांपल में हम देख सकते हैं कि रेंज क्या हो जाएगा भाई. ऊपर जो एग्जांपल लिया हुआ है उसमें रेंज 2 3 and 4. 2 3 and 4. Okay. Yes students, now I will tell you the number of the relation. Maximum number of relation on set A and B. If a relation is defined R such that from A to B, okay, अगर कोई रिलेशन इस तरह से डिफाइंड है फ्रॉम A to B, सेट A from set A to set B, number of element in set A is m, let and number of element in set B is n. आपको पता है नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट इन A क्रॉस B क्या होगा, डेफिनेटली m इंटू n होगा। और आपको पता है R क्या होता है, R इज द सबसेट ऑफ कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट। R क्या होता है, कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट का सबसेट होता है। स्टूडेंट्स, यू मे हैव स्टडीड इन क्लास 11 इन द सेट चैप्टर नंबर 1, दैट इज सेट। सेट में आपने पढ़ा था कि नंबर ऑफ सबसेट इन ए सेट कितने होते हैं, नंबर ऑफ सबसेट इन ए सेट 2 की पावर n। ओके ओके, as we know that number of subset in a set is 2 raised to the power n, where n is the number of element of that set, where n is the number of element of that set, then A cross B, let us suppose A cross B is a set, and as you know R is the subset of A cross B, the number of subsets कितने हो जाएंगे, number of subsets in A cross B, number of subsets in A cross B will be 2 raised to the power mn. And as we know, relation is the subset of Cartesian product. Relation is the subset of Cartesian product. The number of relation from A to B equal to 2 raised to the power mn. ओके, अगर स्टूडेंट्स ऐसा होता कि फ्रॉम A टू A होता, इफ R such that from A to A and number of element in set A n होता, तो नंबर ऑफ रिलेशंस कितने होते, नंबर ऑफ रिलेशंस कितने होते, 2 पावर m स्क्वायर, कितना होता, 2 पावर m स्क्वायर। ओके,